Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to sort ranges in Excel using IronXL. So today I'm going to show you how to sort ranges in Excel, but we're not going to be using Excel's built-in functions. Instead, we're going to utilize the power of IronXL library in C#. So before we get into it, I've already installed the IronXL library via NuGet Package Manager, but if you haven't done that yet, just go ahead and install it now. All right, let's move on to our program CS file and break down the pre-written code. So as always, first we are going to import the IronXL namespace to leverage its functionalities. Next, we're going to load an existing workbook from a file path and select its default worksheet. Okay, here comes the fun bit, the sorting. So first, we're going to select column A using getColumn0, with 0 being the index for the first column. And then we're going to sort this column in ascending order using the sort ascending method. After that, we're going to switch our focus to column B, but this time we're going to sort it in descending order. And finally, we're going to save all of these changes back to a new Excel file named sortXL range XLSX. All right, so let's run the project and see the magic happen. Cool, the project has executed successfully. So let's open the generated Excel file and check out the output. As you can see in the Excel file, column A is sorted in ascending order from A to Z, while column B is sorted in descending order from Z to A. This makes it super convenient to organize your data, and it makes it more readable and just easier to analyze. So that wraps up our tutorial for today, and hopefully you found it useful. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave them for us in the comments section below. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. We also have a free trial license for you to check out if you want to experience the power of our software firsthand. So just click the link below in the description and try it out for yourself.